very good morning to all the dear viewers. In this continuous session, I wanted to add another very rarely used, or I would say clinically very rarely used homeopathic materia medica's medicine, and that is guaiaco. Now this session is basically for all those who are very curious souls who want to know what are the new sources, what are the new remedies, what are the new drugs that we can use to save humanity. So these sessions are only for those who are very curious souls, I must say. So this remedy, guaiaco, is belonging towards the compositae family. Now we all know that compositae family is having a very widely used remedy that are arnica and beliscar. Now both of these are compared with compositae family, and we know all in all about the compositae family, how it is, what are the constitutions. So basically this remedy is made up of a plant which is having its leaves, and concussions are made and also in tincture form it can be used. So the basic sphere of action of this remedy is on the nervous system. It is producing a slight form of spinal irritation. Also it is very specifically used in the female organs. Now there is a very important concomitant symptom in this remedy, and that is the female is always complain of a leukorrhea without any reason. Female will complain about leukorrhea, and that leukorrhea is extensively burning. That burning is very much inside the leukorrhea, and this symptom is always present whenever you are prescribing this remedy. Again, this remedy is having a syphilitic miasm background, and the spinal irritation cause is very important, nervous cause is very important, lower motor neuron paralysis is very important. There will be another very important symptom of this remedy is there will be heaviness of tongue. Tongue is very bulky. The feeling of patient is the tongue is very bulky, and it is producing all kind of paralysis, lower motor neuron paralysis, the lethargic condition, the paralytic condition, the patient trembles their tongue when they protrude it. So all these paralysis kind of very difficult paralysis can be cured by this medicine itself. If there is any spinal injury and afterwards the paralysis is obtained, then this remedy is best and widely used in those cases. Now the basic modality of this remedy is aggravation from any motion. As we all know that this is very common, that whenever we are having any suppose let's take an example that a person is or a patient is coming to you having a paralysis condition. Now if you ask the patient that please show me your tongue, that the patient definitely have to show his tongue or her tongue in a very difficult manner, and it trembles. It is very difficult for that patient to move that part which is having less power, or which is having weakness, or which is having very fatigue kind of feeling. So all in all, the paralysis part and the women organs part is the main sphere of action of this remedy, and all the complaints are aggravated from any kind of motion, any slight motion. And we can compare this remedy with oxalic acids paralysis and also Letherius paralysis. So these remedies can be compared with this, and obviously the compositae families, few of the symptoms and few of the common modalities and common actions can be applied to this remedy also. So this is all about guaiaco. Hope you enjoyed the session, and I'll continue to give you the crux about the new remedies or the remedies that are very less used by few of the physicians, and we will discover new things. Thank you.